how to set up PNC mobile banking. Now, setting up PNC mobile banking is very simple. Assuming you already have a bank account on PNC Bank, simply open up the PNC mobile application right here. We will learn how we can sign up for mobile banking. So it says welcome to PNC mobile app. It gives you three options. Yes, I want to sign in if you already have a mobile banking account, but since we don't, we will select yes, but I don't have a user ID, so we will go there. Now it will take us to a browser page where what we have to do is just simply fill out this information. So we need to confirm some of our information like identification information like social security number, employer identification, PNC online and voice banking user ID, whichever account. Then enter your account information like your PNC account number or personal debit card number. Verify your information using a debit card PIN, online access PIN, or receive a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Tap on next. After the verification is complete, you also have to choose a username and password so that you can log in from the app. And once you've done that, you'll be able to set up your PNC mobile banking and sign into your PNC mobile banking app. This way you'll be able to sign in or set up a PNC mobile banking. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.